Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Disney Plus on Chromecast with Google TV. Quick guide step by step clearly. To activate Disney Plus on your Chromecast with Google TV, start by ensuring that your device is connected to the internet. Next, turn on your TV and select the HDMI input where your Chromecast is connected. Wait for the Google TV interface to load completely. On the home screen, navigate to the Apps section. From the Apps section, scroll down and select the Google Play Store. In the Play Store, use the search function to type in Disney Plus. Once you find the Disney Plus app, click on it to open the app page. Select the Install button to download the application onto your device. After the installation is complete, return to the home screen. Now, locate the Disney Plus app, which should be visible on your apps list. Open the Disney Plus app. Upon opening, you'll see the login screen. If you already have a Disney Plus account, enter your login credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to sign up for a new account. Once logged in, you may be prompted to set up profiles and preferences. After you complete the setup, you can start browsing content. Select a movie or series you want to watch. Finally, click play and enjoy your favorite Disney Plus shows on your Chromecast with Google TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.